what I said at the beginning of the last meeting, that this meeting has not been called according to the law.
It has been properly called.
Please,
This is one of the ways to disrupt this meeting. I will have to remove you from it. You can't.
it's only the chairman.
I was out this morning in wellies, pyjama bottoms and a towel and dressing gown, looking like I've just been exhumed. Feeding pigs.
That's perfect for New Year's Day. That's perfect for New Year's Day. That's exactly what we should all be doing.
It's the same last New Year, it's been the same New Year for 20 years.
Carry on doing it. Paul, you know I love you so much.
I'm a part-time council admin worker. I work in a service that provides equipment for disabled people to assist in independence and daily living, and we also provide things for end-of-life care. So we work with the NHS.
Fantastic, great work, lovely work. And music is a big part of your life?
Huge. I play guitar, I've done open mic singing nights with friends. As a duet, I've run an open mic night with them as well.
Ooh, that's close.
John, very briefly, what questions do you think people should ask before they sign up?
I think, as Gary said, I think it's really important to be clear what is the extent of the financial liability that you're taking on. Are you confident that the person you're guaranteeing a loan for is in a position to make the repayments themselves?
Good Groove with me, DJ Spoonie. Saturday night from 9 on BBC Radio 2. Or get your groove on anytime on the BBC.
Spoonie, Tina Daly in the Jeremy Line on BBC Radio 2. Now, when Tim Smedley's daughter started primary school, he was particularly pleased that they were within walking distance of their home in Banbury in Oxfordshire. They didn't.
Into place. We will see daytime highs under the grey skies, nothing greater than 5 or 6 degrees. Perhaps where the sunshine does have greater effect, though, 6 to 8 could be yours. Just light winds, not doing very much actually to break that cloud up at all. For Northern Ireland, a little breezier today and a bet of seeing some bright or sunny spells. Could just be the odd shower.
Oh, what? So I used the dual carriageway?
Coast later on in the day, highs of 9 or 10. Scotland, a slightly more mixed picture. It is breezier here. Eastern areas should get some decent sunshine actually today, and temperatures up to 11 degrees. But to the far north, the weather.
Swallow booked for 21 miles.